In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore an AI's ability to act like a human, specifically on the topic of studying. This guide is perfect for those curious about how artificial intelligence can simulate human-like behavior, providing insightful tips on how to maximize your study sessions. Let's dive in together and take a closer look at how you can navigate this fascinating process. To get started, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. This is your first stop on the journey to discovering AI-powered insights about studying. Once you're on Google's homepage, go ahead and click on the search bar. Here, you'll want to type in ChatGPT. This step is crucial as ChatGPT is one of the AI models that's particularly skilled in mimicking human conversation and providing helpful information. Once you've entered the term, press Enter on your keyboard and let Google work its magic. You'll now see a list of search results. So the next step is to find and click on the official ChatGPT website. This will take you to the platform where the real magic happens. Navigating to the official site ensures that you're accessing the most reliable and up-to-date version of the AI model. When you reach the site, you'll likely notice a clean and simple interface designed to streamline your interaction with the AI. Now that you're on the ChatGPT platform, it's time to generate a prompt. Click on the area designated for entering text and type out your prompt, How to Act Human, Studying. This prompt is perfectly crafted to explore how AI can simulate human-like advice on effective study techniques. Reflecting on how machines can emulate nuanced human behavior, like providing study tips, can be an enlightening experience. Once you've crafted your prompt, what you need to do next is click on the Submit button. This action will prompt the AI to analyze your request, applying machine learning algorithms to generate insightful responses based on its extensive data training. While the AI processes your input, consider what kind of responses you might find most helpful and how they could improve your study habits. Finally, you'll receive a list of study tips and advice, all with a touch of human-like understanding. These tips are designed to help optimize your study routines, packed with strategies that are both practical and easy to implement. Feel free to explore the suggestions provided and think about how you might incorporate them into your own study practice to boost efficiency and focus. This concludes our quick exploration of how AI like ChatGPT can offer valuable human-like insights, particularly on topics like studying. Thank you for taking the time to explore this intriguing tech space with me today. Wherever your studies take you next, I hope you found these tools and tips to be both enlightening and empowering.